Let's start with cosec squared 45 degrees. Now to do this, remember the cosecant ratio is the reciprocal of the sine ratio. So you simply key in sine 45 degrees, close the parenthesis to the exponent -2. Remember, it's reciprocal. That is why we are introducing the negative sign first. So we come sine 45, close the bracket, introduce the exponent by pressing the x to the power box key, and then you can now customarily key in -2 as your exponent and then press equal to. What is your answer? 2, basically. And then we'll proceed to the next one, which is the secant squared of 45 degrees. Remember, the secant ratio is a reciprocal of the cosine ratio. So sec squared 45 degrees is simply going to be equal to cos 45 degrees, close parenthesis, to the power -2. Please, realistically, or when you are doing computation or presentation during an examination, do not use the calculator input method, use the mathematical input method. But if you are to use your calculator, use the calculator input method the way it is, or just as I have shown it to you on the screen. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and do that. So you press cos 45, close bracket, introduce the exponent -2, and then press equal to, and you can see the answer is simply 2. Let's consider the last one, the cotangent squared of 45 degrees. Remember, the cotangent ratio is a reciprocal of the tangent ratio. So we simply key in tan 45 degrees, close bracket, and then we introduce the exponent -2. This is the calculator input approach, please. And let me emphasize again, in examination, avoid using or expressing terms using your calculator input approach. Rather use the mathematical input approach, because that is the standard. But in your calculator, rather key it this way. So we go ahead and do that. So we have tan 45 degrees, close bracket, introduce the exponent -2, and then press equal to. And as you can see, the answer is 1.